Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Ads training series. Today, we'll be discussing search lead ads inside the Google Ads platform. You can go multiple ways with this placement, so I'll be discussing the merits of both the website visits and the lead form submissions before going into the actual creation of the ad itself. We'll create one of each ad in this video, so it's going to be slightly longer than our usual videos. Before we get started with the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday for our Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Lead generation is an amazing tool for any business, but it is exponentially more powerful for service and B2B businesses, as these are the type of companies that are able to give a custom quote for services offered. When you do something like that, you don't want to give a blanket price for your product or service because it might be more or less depending on the needs of the customer. As an example, Salesforce is one of the world's leading CRM tools for companies large and small. A Fortune 500 company may use the software for its thousands of employees, and a local contractor may also use the service as well. They will have two extremely different needs for the software, and the price of it will vary drastically depending on the size and scope of their needs. Salesforce doesn't put out that its software is $100 a month and allows users to just set up. They do a lead gen fill out and do a consultation. They would be the type of company that uses the lead placement. Now, would they want website visits or lead form submission? Again, this completely depends on your company. If you don't have an updated website or an IT department keeping track of your online presence, maybe it's best to have a lead gen form submitted. You might just be a one-man show and your website's designed to showcase your portfolio, so you want to make the contact first for a lead, then show them your portfolio during the contact. It all depends on your style. Personally, I prefer website visits over lead gen form, as I'm able to customize my lead gen form on my website very well. If you don't have this kind of option, a standard lead gen form is fine from Google. Let's build your website visits campaign first. Open Google Ads and go to your campaigns. Click the plus and select New Campaign. Select Leads and Search. Check the Website Visits box and put in your web address. Give your campaign a name and leave your network selected. Select your location, language, bidding, and budget. Remember, in the context of lead generation, a conversion means a lead submitted. Click Save and Continue. Put your keywords in the box that appears. If you haven't listened before about the keyword research, do it now. Don't take the lazy way out on the right. Click Save and Continue. Enter the headlines and descriptions here, and click Done and create next ad. Then save and continue. That will create your campaign. Now let's go back and create a lead gen form. Go to your campaigns, click plus and select New Campaign. Click Leads, Search, and check the lead form submission box. Give the campaign a name and leave all the boxes checked. Select your location, language, bidding, and strategy. Go to the Create Lead Form extension and press the link. You have to read and accept terms and conditions for the first time. After that, it shouldn't pop up. All right, let's create our lead gen extension. Select a call to action and put in some kind of compelling text. Let's go with, see what our company can do. Now, create your lead form. Headline should be the service or product that they're inquiring about. The business name comes next. Then a brief 200-character description of why you need their info regarding the product or service. Select the information that you need from the customer and link to your privacy policy. Select a background image that fits your ad and you're all set for that. Lastly, you need to create a thank you page that pops up when the form is completely submitted. Just a headline, description, and call to action. Click Save and you are done. You can create as many lead forms as you want, but for now, we'll click Save and Continue. Enter your keywords. You see how this comes up every single time? Do your keyword research and have a list of your keywords ready to go. Seriously, if you haven't, do it now. Create a text ad here, click Done and create next ad. Save and Continue, you're done. Whew. That was a lot more than I usually do in a video. Thanks for bearing with me. Lead ads are incredibly useful when done correctly. Unfortunately, most people don't understand the purpose and application of these tools. I hope that after a little training, you can start to use them properly and truly leverage your ability to close clients on the phone with your amazing personality. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.